Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to set up a JP Morgan brokerage account. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the stock market or an experienced trader switching platforms, JP Morgan offers a user-friendly experience with robust tools. Let's get started. This whole process can take as little as 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your prep work. First things first, head over to the JP Morgan website. You can do this from your computer or mobile device by searching for JP Morgan Chase and navigating to their investing section. Once you're there, look for the Open an Account button. It's usually front and center. If you already have a JP Morgan banking account, you might be able to link it directly, which saves time. Next, you'll need to create a new account or log in if you're an existing customer. Click on that button, and you'll be prompted to enter your personal details. This includes your name, address, social security number, and contact information. Don't worry, they're required for security and regulatory reasons to protect your investments. Now, onto verification. JP Morgan will ask you to verify your identity. This could involve uploading a driver's license or passport, or answering a few questions about your financial history. It's a quick step to ensure everything's legit and secure. Once verified, choose your account type. JP Morgan offers options like individual brokerage accounts, IRAs, or joint accounts. Think about your goals. Are you saving for retirement or trading actively? Select the one that fits best. After that, it's time to fund your account. You can link a bank account, transfer funds from another brokerage, or even deposit a check. Start with a small amount if you're new, and remember to check for any minimum deposit requirements. Finally, once your account is funded, you're ready to explore. Set up your preferences, like notifications for market updates, and start browsing stocks, bonds, or funds. JP Morgan's app makes it easy with real-time data and educational resources. There you have it. You're now set up and ready to invest smarter. Always remember to do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching, and let's build that wealth together.